Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix 2x KO game not launching, not opening, crashing, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing or showing black screen error on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen first. Now press menu button on controller and then select quit. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, then select device and connections, then click on Blu-ray. Now select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. Next is to clear cache of 2xKO. For that, first press Xbox guide, then click on my games and apps, then tap on see all. Here search for 2xKO, then press menu. Now select manage game and add-ons. After that tap on save data and then click on reserved space. Finally tap on clear reserved space. Next is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu. Now select settings, then select network settings and click on test network connection. Now wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to check for Xbox updates. Make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox and select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the updating process. Next is to check for 2xKO update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, now try to launch it and check if it's working. If not, next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next go to account, then click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove and then select remove option. After that, add the account again. Next method is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system and click on settings and click on system and then click on storage. Now here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or games to create space. Next is to reinstall 2xKO game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps. Select see all option. Here select 2xKO, then press menu button and now select uninstall. After the game is removed, open 2xKO official website and download the game and then check if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.